참 오래됐지 내가 랩이란 걸 안지 처음엔 freestyle만 대충 하면서 놀고 냈지.
Alright, today I'm gonna show you how I remix my song using Suno AI. Let's go. Alright, so this is a song here. Let's listen to it real quick. You know how the original song sounds like.
처음 가사란 걸 쓰고 녹음도 하고 했던 그때를 잊을 수가 없지. 두려운 게 없었어. 랩 실력 따윈 내게 나.
So it's something like this, okay? So to remix this, we're gonna go ahead and open Suno AI and then bring that audio over, and then let's see what Suno AI can do. So once you're logged into Suno AI, we're gonna go ahead and click on create. And then from here, we're gonna go ahead and click on audio right here. Now what we're doing is we're gonna bring in my song, right? So there you go. Now it's gonna take some time, but before we go in, this window pops up, then just go ahead and now click on save, and then we're gonna click on cover, and then, cover, and then continue. All right, so Suno AI right now is analyzing the track that I'm uploading right now. All right, so we're gonna, okay, we got the lyrics now. Now on the style, we're gonna go like this, okay? 90 BPM, comma, and then put boom bap, and comma, hip hop. Okay. All right, so the lyrics are done and style is done. And then we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna click on the advanced options. Now, depending on what you're trying to do, you're gonna tweak this, right? But I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is. I'm gonna just put the style influence around 50 and audio influence around 50 as well. Okay, and then let's put weirdness around 50 as well. And let's see what it does, okay? Let's hear what Suno AI did. I like this beat. You can extract the stems into two by using only 10 credits. What that does is it gives you the one track of the instrumental all as a one track, like a one file, right? And then gives you the vocal file. So you're gonna have a total of just 2 tracks, right? But that's not what I want. I want all the stems, correct? So I'm gonna go ahead and use the 50 credits. So after you download it, you bring in all the sound source that Suno AI created for you, and you use it on your remix. So I might keep my drums, right? And I might just use their bass. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I got all these sources now. But let's compare this too, okay? This is the original song. While it's downloading it, let's listen to the original part here. This is the original song, right?
생각으로 접근하지 않았어. 아마도 그래서 나 같은 놈도 쉽게 할 수 있는 핑계가 생긴 거지 그땐. Rapping over any beats, we can get our hands on. 무한 반복 재생 눌러놓고.
Okay, that's me originally, and this was fed to the Suno AI, right? Let's listen to what Suno AI did.
참 오래됐지 내가 랩이란 걸 안지 처음엔 freestyle만 대충 하면서 놀고 냈지. 그러던 어느 날 난 생처음 가사란 걸 쓰고 녹음도 하고 했던 그때를 잊을 수가 없지. 두려운 게 없었어.
And let me know, guys, if you want to see the process of me remixing this song using my DAW. And I'll probably mash my original sounds that I have and with the sound sources that Suno AI has generated for me. That's how I remix it anyways, but if you guys really want to see that, let me know. Drop the comments, okay? Alright, so there you have it. That was the remix version, and if you guys want to see more of this type of videos, please let me know and then, leave a comment. Yeah, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.